I'm going to take up something now called CIDR notation. Let me get a pen going here. Doesn't want to select. CIDR. And it stands for Classless Interdomain Routing. Now, that's a big name, but all it really means is that it's a shorthand for writing subnet masks. It's just another way of writing subnet masks. Let's look at three common subnet masks. 255.0.0.0, 255.255.0.0, 255.255.255.0. Now, everywhere we have a 255, that equates to 8 ones. And of course, where there are zeros, that equates to 8 zeros. So that's 8 zeros there. And then we have 8 more zeros here, and 8 more zeros over here. So I have 8 ones in this subnet mask. So we designate that with CIDR notation as a /8. Over here I've got 8 plus 8, so that's a /16. There are 16 contiguous ones. Here we have 8, 16, 24, so that's a /24. Now the nice thing about CIDR notation is that I can designate any subnet mask, and they don't have to fall on these octets. They can be in between. Let's look at one like this, for example. Okay, I have 8 ones here. I've got 8 ones here. I have 4 ones over here. Well, 8 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 20. So I would designate this as a /20, like that. Let's just do a couple of them just to sort of get the hang of it. So let's try this. What would be a /3? /3. It's not a very good slash because it looks like a 13. I'll try to fix that. We would have 3 ones, and then everything else is 0. So this is the first, second, third byte, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bytes, and then everything else after that is all zeros. So I've got 3 ones here. Well, what would that be in decimal? Well, we know that this first bit here is the 128 bit, the second bit is the 64 bit, and the third bit is the 32 bit. If I add all those together, I get 224. So this is the same as 224.0.0.0. Now I probably should have done that up here. What is this one? 255.255. What's this one? Well, I've got 4. I've got a 128-bit, a 64-bit, a 32-bit, and a 16-bit. So this one, let's erase that, this one is equal to 240 if I add all those up. So this is 240.0, like that. All right, let's do one more. Let's do a /18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now I've got 8, 16, and 2. That is indeed a /18. But let's convert this to decimal. I would have a 255 here, dot 255 here. Here I'd have a 128 and a 64. So that would be, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to put a dot there. Let's go back and try that again. Dot 192, because a 128 plus 64 is 192.0. So /18 is the same as saying 255.255.192. A /3 is the same as saying 224.0.0.0. /20 is the same as saying 255.255.240.0. So you can see we can make any combination of ones as long as they are contiguous ones followed by contiguous zeros using this CIDR notation system.